I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. And today's video to test the PUBG graphics gameplay test in the Realme X2 Pro device, which is a version 1.5.0. Yes friends, this is the latest APK which is available. If you want to download this APK, try to join in my Telegram group and you can directly download direct APK. No OBB files, nothing at all. Just download the APK which is 1 GB file and download and install. I'll try to show you the step-by-step process as well. So this is a Realme X2 Pro friends. I'm really excited to see whether we'll be able to play the 90 FPS or not, because in the previous version, which is a PUBG 1.4, we can actually play the 90 FPS, but I was unable to get the real time. But after doing some lot of other techniques, then it got work. But overall, let's see in the latest PUBG 1.5.0, so will the 90 FPS problem option will be coming or not? The reason is because the Realme X1 Max, which is a Dimensity processor, this phone got the 90 FPS option. So let's see what will happen with this phone. So this is a new one which I did install, and I'll try to upload the video on the Realme X1 Pro as well, which is present here: Realme X1 Pro, Realme X1 Max and Realme X2 Pro. So all this X series is completely here in front of me. So I'll try to do the comparisons of those phones as well very soon. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested to know more details. So right now it's kind of downloading. As you can see that this is the latest PUBG 1.5. So I'm really interested to see friends what will be the graphics settings in this phone. I'm really very curious to see. So let's see what will be the graphics settings in the Realme X2 Pro. Even though the phone is 1.5 year old mobile phone, but still it's really powerful in the fast charging, in the battery, in the display, except in the camera. But obviously apart from that, the performance, it's really great. So let's see what will happen with this settings. That is what I'm really interested. It should not go down, so hopefully it should stay around 90 FPS only. This is a Snapdragon 855 plus processor, 855 plus. And right now in the Snapdragon 870, I did not get any 90 FPS, no, in the 870. I did upload a couple of videos on the 870 as well, which is iQOO 7, comparing with the MI Linux as well. As you can see, try to check those videos. So Snapdragon 870, I did not get any kind of update. So right now it's kind of completely going down. And in case if you want to help me and support me, you can donate some money to my PhonePe, GPay and Paytm on this number. That will be really great. So which I'll definitely use to buy the next smartphones from the Realme, which is a Realme GT or maybe from the OnePlus Nord to other devices in my channel. So since I don't get any kind of review units, that is the reason I thought of asking the help from my subscribers. So which I do believe, and some of the people which they do believe in me, that is the reason they did already send some kind of money as well. That's really great, and thank you for all your support. And let's go to the settings and let's see friends, fingers crossed it should be 90 FPS, it should not go away. That is what I'm thinking. And let me tell you, select smooth. Yes, thank God the 90 FPS option is there. This is a really important thing friends, because so I should not go. So 90 FPS is present in the Realme X2 Pro. That's fantastic. As you can see, the new update PUBG 1.5. This is a Realme X2 Pro. No GFX tool application. Obviously, I did install in front of the camera only. So there is no GFX tool and there is no mod, anything like that. This is a direct application and this is my account which I did open. And let me try to start the match. And now the task is to see the real-time FPS meter, how much we are getting. Let me try to select the random match, any match, some match. So real-time FPS meter I'm getting only 60. Still that problem exists in the Realme. So where you need to decrease the brightness and then you need to come back to see the 90 FPS possible. Still that kind of problem is going on. I think even with this PUBG version 1.5.0, still that's a kind of weird thing. So which you need to be with that until the Realme fix. There is no other solution, I think so. But as you can see friends, right now I'm getting slightly close to 90 FPS. 90 FPS I'm getting after doing that kind of trick. In case if you want to know how to enable this kind of trick, so make sure to watch that video which I did upload just a couple of days back. Realme X2 Pro PUBG 90 FPS, you'll get that video clearly, which I did explain how to get this kind of high FPS, which is actually possible in this phone, but you need to do some kind of tricks to get this kind of high FPS count. Let me try to go outside and let me just start walking. Let's see what will happen. So let's see the real-time FPS meter right now. So 89 and 90 FPS, as you can see, you're getting in this Realme X2 Pro without any problem, no issues, perfectly done. As you can see, 90 FPS will get definitely. So this is a quick gameplay review friends of using this kind of game, which is a PUBG version 1.5.0. So this is a video which I'm trying to talk about. Try to watch this video, friends, which I uploaded 5 days back. Realme X2 Pro 90 FPS BGMI gameplay working. Just type in the YouTube similarly like this, you will get the video. So in that video I did show you how to turn on the 90 FPS step-by-step process, which is actually working. Even I'll try to do the dedicated video for the PUBG version 1.5 as well very soon. I'm just trying to show you only the FPS count during this time of testing, how much I'm trying to get. And sometimes I can definitely see there are some kind of lag is going on. Sorry, some kind of frame drops. Yes, so I need to use the third-party FPS meter to check the frame drops is happening or not. I'll do that as soon as possible, so stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. I just want to do a normal gameplay, just a little bit kind of gameplay only, not much. And there's no haptic feedback. I think there's no 4D vibrations enabling. As you can see, you cannot enable any 4D vibrations. That's another thing which I thought of mentioning. So if the phone has got any kind of haptic feedback, that would be really great, but that's not the case. There's no haptic feedback in the phone. That's another quite disadvantage, I would say, in terms of the haptic feedback. And this is a small gameplay which I thought of just showing you out. So when I'm trying to play, is there any kind of lag or not? So till now there's not much draining. As you can see right now it's only 90 FPS it's coming. As you can see it's 91 and 89 FPS, not much any kind of problem. So 89 FPS I'm getting. So I'll try to do the third-party FPS meter test as well very soon. I'll try to upload that video as soon as possible. So stay tuned for those videos. In case if you're interested to know more details, I'll definitely try to upload a video on that particular topic as soon as possible. And some of the users, they did report the frame drops are happening in the Realme X2 Pro as well. Some users, they did report. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Let's stay tuned for more updates. It's the basic gameplay which I thought of just giving you, and finally you're getting the 90 FPS by using some kind of tricks anyway. At least you're getting the 90 FPS in this phone without any kind of problem. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.